Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to change your cursor on your PC, the default cursors here, so this video is for you. First, you can just open your Windows here and you can just search for change the mouse cursor, mouse pointer, display or speed. You can just click on it, and from here you can just go to the buttons, the pointers here, so where you can find different types of pointers. So here you can see this is also actually the default pointers here, so you can click on normal select, or you can just browse and you will find different types of cursor from here. So but we are going to create a custom cursor, so I have just deleted it, so here it is. Now I'm going to create a custom cursor here. So we are at the cursor.cc where we can create a custom cursor. Now from here you'll find a dashboard. Here is the board that where you can draw a cursor according to the pixel here. So here you can find different these pixels here, so you can draw a cursor from here. And for example, I'm going to draw a cursor from here. For example, I just not this actually. Now you can click on create new cursor, and I can just create a cursor just like this, or yeah, just like this. I have just created it. So you can just click on this download button here. So here you can find the download cursor, so you can click on download cursor here, so it will download the cursor file here. So you just need to open the file here, so the file location, so it is on the downloads actually. So let me manage it a little. And from here you can find the cursor size. Now you just need to open the mouse properties where you will find pointers, and you can just select it, and from here you can go to the browser, and here you just need to make sure the cursor file where your cursor file is, it is on my Windows C partition, and in Windows and in cursor. So let's see for so you just need to go back here, so Windows, and here in Windows in cursors we just need to go to the the Windows C partitions here. So here is Windows, so we have to paste this file in Windows. So we are cancelling right now. So first you just need to open another one here. So here you can see I have another window of my file manager here. So I'm going to opening the cursor file here. So in Windows my C drive, and in Windows we have to locate the cursors. Here it is, the cursors. Now we have to paste it on the cursors file here. So I'm going to rename it like custom, yes, and I'm going to paste this cursor file in the cursor file actually. Now you simply click on continue. Now it has just pasted in the cursor file, Windows cursor file, where I can just navigate, or I can just access this custom mouse pointer here. Now you have to click on this browse option, and from here search for custom here. So here it is, the custom one, here it is. Now you just need to click on open button here. Now here you can see the normal select, it has just set for apply, and it's a little bit tiny here. You can see it's a little bit tiny, so don't worry, you can make it a bigger one just like this, the bigger one, and you can download it according to your needs. You can draw anything, and make sure that you have draw a more bigger cursor line, so you can use it. So it's much tiny, sorry for that. Now I'm going to, if you want to get back normal or they use the default one, then you can simply click on use default and simply click on apply, and here the default one. So that's how you can change the mouse pointer or cursor on your computer. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.